Alright, welcome to 35 Bank Street. I'm going to take you on a tour of apartment number 2, which is the second and third floors. So I'm just going to walk in through the front door, and you see we have a nice porch on this main level. When you walk in, there's another unit, that's the first floor unit, and we are on the second floor unit. So we're going to walk up the front staircase. And I will take you into first the common spaces. So on the first floor of our house, you'll see we have a living room that's very large. And here's where the first staircase continues to go up to the third floor. So we have a very large living room space. It gets a lot of sun, as you can see. We have a lot of windows. And on the first floor is also a second living room / dining room area that's also really large and spacious. And it goes into the kitchen. And I'll just turn around and show how everything looks. There's a built-in shelf area that we kind of use as a bar, but you can use it as something else if you wish. And it goes away. So as you can see, it's quite a large space. And both of these rooms, and really the whole house, to be honest, gets a lot of nice sun, and we have a lot of windows. So going into the kitchen, we have a very large kitchen. There's lots of cabinet space and counter space. We have a stove with 4 burners, it's gas, an oven. We have a dishwasher, a fridge over here. We also use 2 mini fridges to supplement since we have 5 people and we all cook. And I'll just kind of quickly show you how we have a lot of cabinet space here to store all of our stuff. These are all go all the way back, so there's a lot of space to put in food. And then I'll just quickly show you here's a kind of view of the backyard and the outside. The backyard is for the downstairs neighbors, but sometimes we can use it. And here's also a storage space that we also use to store kind of as a dry pantry. And here's the back staircase. And before I go up to the third floor, I'll show you the 2 bedrooms on the main floor. So the main floor is 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. They're both about the same size. Here's bedroom number 1. You can see it has 2 windows, has a lot of space for a desk and a full-size bed, and a closet back here, a built-in closet. Bedroom number 2, again, has a lot of space for full-size bed or queen-size bed and a desk. This one gets a lot of light in the morning, so a lot of sun, and also has the built-in closet. As you can see, it's a lot of storage space. And then the bathroom on the main floor is a full bathroom with toilet, cabinet, medicine cabinet, and shower. And now we'll go up to the second floor, where you will see the 3 bedrooms. Here's the staircase, it's a little bit windy. And the upper floor has 3 bedrooms and also 1.5 baths. It also has a very large storage closet that we all store a few things in. So first I'll just show you, here's the hallway where there's the biggest bedrooms at the very end. There's a bedroom on the left side, bedroom on the right side, and then 2 bathrooms on the right side. So this is the full bathroom that has a stand-up shower. And this also gets a lot of light. It's very large. Going on back, we have the half bathroom. So 3 people in this house can use the bathroom at the same time, very convenient. Here's the 3rd bedroom, which again, all the bedrooms really have a lot of space for a queen-size bed and a desk, and all have built-in closets as well. So here's a closet, they're all basically about the same size except for the largest bedroom. Bedroom number 4. closet. In the corner here. All right, and then the final bedroom is the master bedroom. It's quite large. Again, lots of light. And this one has a very large walk-in closet. All right, so those are all the bedrooms. And lastly, I'll just take you down. So I'm gonna go back down the front stairs. So we have a front and back stairs. So I'll take you down the front stairs. And I'll show you the gem of the house, which is the balcony. We do also have some more storage here by the staircase where we keep on our coats. But here's the balcony where we really hang out outside a lot. It's a nice space to sit. It's sunny out. It's a nice view of the street, and it is covered, so even in the rain, it's quite nice. And then lastly, I'll just walk through the main floor one more time to take you downstairs. So again, living room, dining room, and kitchen, and then downstairs is a basement where we have our laundry. So I'll just show you that real fast. So as you can see, it's quite large. And here's where our laundry is. There's 2 washers and 2 dryers, but one of each is for apartment number 1. So apartment number 2 has one washer and 1 dryer. All right, so that's basically it. I'll take you back to the street level. Just to show you again how the house looks out from the outside. And there is also, important to note, a driveway that has enough for 2 cars. So, and the whole driveway is for apartment number 2. So there's a whole driveway for 2 cars. Thank you for viewing our house.